I'm Davey. In this tutorial you will learn how to input data and store it in a file. Select the data edit symbol, a pencil, at the top of the screen. Select Enter New Data. Here we have a table of values from an experiment showing how the resistance of a thermistor changed with temperature. The temperature starts at 40 and increases by 10 for each reading, so they can be calculated, and you only need to type in the resistance, the Y values. Select Enter Y values. The X step is 10 and the initial X value is 40. The name for X is temperature and the name for Y is resistance. The Y-axis caption is resistance ohms. The graph title is negative temperature coefficients. You can choose the names you want. They will be displayed on the graph, so choose meaningful ones. For the next data, select Next. BridPlot has already filled in the first value for temperature as 40. All you have to do is enter the corresponding value for resistance. Select Add Line. The two values go into the dataset and BridPlot updates the temperature value. Enter the value for resistance and add line, and the next values. The list of values added are displayed at the bottom of the screen. Remember to select Add Line when you have entered each resistance value correctly. When you have entered all of your data, select Save. Choose the name of your data file. I will call the file NTC for negative temperature coefficients. Now we are back at the main menu. Select Scattergram to see that the data looks OK. You can edit your data if you have made any mistakes, but it all looks good here. BridPlot displays data on a graph scaled to fit all the values. You will notice the title, axes, and key are labelled with the names I entered. Now it gets interesting. You can see from the graph that it looks as though there is some mathematical relationship between the temperature and resistance. BridPlot can help you investigate. Select the settings icon at the top of the screen. A straight line fit is not too good. What about a quadratic function? That seems a decent fit. If you look at the key box in the bottom left of the screen, you can see the equation of the function which BridPlot has calculated. In our next tutorial, Heather will show you how to enter more than one set of Y values.